Hello and welcome to Digit. We will be unboxing the Corsair Harpoon RGB Wireless. Now this is a pretty standard box and this is how it's packed. As usual, there's some overhead room for the cabling. Now this is the user manual. There doesn't seem to be a warranty card. Okay, but it should come with the warranty information might be in the user manual itself. And that's all for the packaging. Now we'll be looking at the mouse. This is a very interesting mouse because it's both a wireless and a wired mouse. So to go into wireless mode, you can just pop this out and then you get the freedom. Then now when you want precision and control, you can push this wire back in and then you get a better precision. Now the cable is corded and it doesn't have a fiber tag, which is usually provided. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 buttons here. This mouse scroll wheel also functions as a button. This is for changing the DPI settings, and there's an LED indicator, and this is where the LED lights light up. Below the mouse you can see 4 pads which reduce the friction. And that's it for the unboxing of the Harpoon RGB Wireless by Corsair. Thanks for watching. Do remember to share, subscribe and like the video.